Let's begin with Module 8. What is the Thrive program? Before we wrap up, I want to introduce what comes after clarity. And I want to be very, very precise here. Thrive is not an execution pitch. Thrive is about helping organizations make the right modernization decisions before execution begins. Most modernization failures do not happen during implementation, they happen much earlier when assumptions are made without enough clarity. Thrive exists to solve that problem. Clarity gives you perspective, Thrive gives you application. The purpose of Thrive is to take everything you have learned here, the frameworks, the options, the AI, low code, and cloud context, and apply it to your specific environment. Not in theory, not in a generic way, but grounded in your system, your constraints, and your business priorities. Organizations engage with Thrive in different ways, and that's intentional. Some want clarity and a roadmap they can take to their internal teams or vendors. Others eventually want support beyond that. But everything starts with the same first step that is called Thrive Consulting, the modernization assessment. That assessment is the foundation. Execution decisions come later, if and when you choose. This brings me to the Thrive Consulting modernization assessment. This is a 2 week architect led assessment designed for organizations that are planning modernization but want to do it right. During this assessment, we focus on three things. First, understanding your current state. That includes your applications, dependencies, constraints, and modernization pressures. Second, researching and evaluating the right modernization options for your environment. Not one size fits all, not vendor driven. And then the third is defining a clear future state view and a realistic roadmap you can actually execute. The outcome is executive ready assessment and presentation that you can take to your internal teams, share it with your vendors, or use as the foundation for execution with or without us. A practical architecture blueprint, your cloud and hybrid strategy, your AI adoption roadmap, your low code modernization roadmap, a prioritized system map, your security and integration architecture. All in all, a 6 to 24-month modernization sequence. This alone saves your organization 6 to 12 months of confusion and planning. This assessment is led by me together with the senior enterprise architect from my team. Depending on the situation, it may include discussions with your team to understand the current state, but it's designed to be focused, efficient, and respectful of your time. To be transparent on pricing, assessments like this typically cost organizations anywhere between $25,000 to $50,000 depending on the scope. For Clarity program attendees, we have intentionally packaged this differently. As a limited time benefit for Clarity participants, the Thrive Consulting Modernization Assessment is offered in the range of $8,000 to $15,000, depending on the size and complexity of your application landscape. The goal here is not to sell, it's to remove the friction and make it easy to start the right way.